Hello, my name is Ashish Sharma from Amplitude classes, and we have discussed superconductivity. बेसिकली सुपरकंडक्टिविटी के जो फिनोमिना है वो कूपर पेयर पे डिपेंड करता है और कूपर पेयर एंड बीसीएस थियरी कंटेन्स थ्री नेम्स कूपर, बार्डीन एंड स्क्रीफर. These are the three scientists who got Nobel Prize too for their research in superconductivity. And here you can see on the screen a normal structure of positive ions and electrons. The blue dots are positive ions and the red dots are electrons. As we know that for a normal conductor, that means temperature greater than critical temperature, electrons move zigzag. And now you can see on the screen how the electrons move in a superconductor. Okay, blue dots are positive ions, and again red dots are electrons. So you can pause a video and you can see the interaction between positive ions and electrons. Now the main thing that we are saying that Cooper pairs, so electrons are in pair and they attract each other, while from Coulomb law we know that electrons have to repel each other because both are negative. Again you can see on the screen in slow motion that what is actually happening. A electron, that is a red dot, comes, and the blue dot, which are positive ions, deformed. So basically electrons are responsible for the deformation of crystal lattice, and due to the deformation or distortion in lattice, this is a physical advantage and this lowers the energy because electrons first attract the positive ions. Now the positive charge is centralized in a small region, so this positive charge attract the second electrons, so it seems like an electron is chasing by the another electron. So this is the way how Cooper pair are formed. So basically the conclusion is that Cooper pairs are formed because of the physical advantage of deformation. Actually
सो हो क्या रहा है कि पहला इलेक्ट्रॉन आता है, वो अट्रैक्ट करता है पॉजिटिव आयंस को अपने दोनों साइड के। पॉजिटिव आयंस नज़दीक आते हैं, इलेक्ट्रॉन पास होके आगे चला जाता है। अब जब दोनों पॉजिटिव आयंस पास आ चुके हैं, तो जो पॉजिटिव चार्ज डेंसिटी है वो उस रीजन में बढ़ गई है, तो दूसरा इलेक्ट्रॉन अट्रैक्ट होगा। अब दूसरा इलेक्ट्रॉन जब अट्रैक्ट होगा तो वो पॉजिटिव चार्ज सेंटर जो भी पास पास आए थे उसकी तरफ आएगा। अब लगेगा क्या, ऐसा लगेगा।
formation of Cooper pair also can be understood by the electron-phonon interaction or electron-phonon-electron interaction. Actually, what happens? An electron having a some wave vector emits a phonon, and this phonon is absorbed by another electron. So thus way, both of these electrons behave like a Cooper pair. Okay.